your credit, remove bad credit charges, bank repos, collections, medical bills, school fees, and more. This is your year to win. Call Serenice.
Hello, family and friends. It's your girl, Coach Saranice. I know it has been a minute, hey, because some amazing things have been happening. But today, I feel like stopping by in the middle of the day, interrupt your day, your Saturday. I hope you guys are doing some self care Saturday. It's Saturday, so take good care of yourself because you deserve it. Yes, you do. So it's your girl, Coach Serenice. If you are chiming in for the first time, I am Coach Serenice. I am the credit nurse. I help people. I help people with their personal and business credit. I'm also a financial coach. I help people with their personal budget. If that's you, please keep watching, follow me, like my page, and subscribe because I will always bring you amazing information, and that's what I do. With that saying, today in the middle of the day, I have something amazing to bring to you. With that saying, I'm going to share my screen, and today we're going to talk about some tips because what I do is I bring you some good tips to help you win in life. When it comes to money, I'm the one that can help you win with money. Now, today, what do we have in the menu? I hope you guys can see my screen okay. It says 5 ways to improve your credit score. Very easy. We can all agree, right? Very easy. 5 ways. So, first, it says, here's just some takeaways. It says your payment history plays a large role in determining your credit score. We can all agree on that. Very, very important. Try to keep your balance below 30%. Keep all the credit cards open can improve your credit health. Check your credit report at least once a year. Now, I said once a year because there's a website you can go and check your credit score, credit report once a year, and it's free. Why don't do it every month, every day, because a lot can happen in 365 days. A lot can happen in 12 months. A lot can happen in 52 weeks. So just so you know, a lot can happen. So because of that, I don't say just once a year. Check it more often. Now, we have something amazing for you. If that's you, if you need help with your personal and or business credit, you can reach out to me. However, you may not need any help with your credit. You might be somebody that just want to make sure that you keep things in check. You might be someone that just say, you know what, I just want to monitor my credit just in case something's happening so I can get some kind of notification, some kind of alert. I got your back as well. So reach out to me and I'll get you a good deal on that so you can keep things into check. Now, I am going through the steps with you. So the first thing is, these are the some takeaways. So first thing, you probably know a higher credit score can make it easier for you to get a loan or borrow more affordable rate. But how can you improve your credit score? How can you do it? How can you make sure that your credit score is where it's supposed to be? Here are 5 credit boosting tips. It won't cost you any penny, any money, not 1 cent. It won't cost you. It's just me giving you free information that can help you win. First thing, pay your bills on time. Sounds easy, right? Sounds simple, but what's easy to do is also easy not to do. So pay your bills on time. Why it matters? It does matter because your payment history makes up the largest part of your total credit. Meaning, if when you calculate your credit score, 35% of that credit score has to do with you making on time payments. So even small slip ups can lower your score by a lot. So let's say you have one missed payment, one late payment can take your scores down 100 points. So let's say you are at 740, and you have one missed payment, your credit score can drop down to 640. That's a lot. Some people even see more because it does make a big difference. Okay. How to boost your score? Always make at least the minimum payment by the due date. You can set up payment reminders, or you can have automatic payments so you don't forget. It's easy to forget because we have 101 things going on. It's so easy to forget because everything is grabbing our attention. Okay. So just make sure you have enough money in your account to cover your bills. Also, check your credit report at least once a year and correct any inaccuracy and inaccurate information. So, if you're a Bank of America customer, this is a bonus for you. You can set up reminders and automatic payments through mobile and online banking. Yeah, that's awesome. So keep your balances low, meaning don't go above 30% if you can afford it, if you can help it. Keep your balance below 30%. So the second most important factor in determining your credit score is how much of your available credit you're using. Don't be having $1,000 limit and using 1,500 out of it. That math will hurt you. So, how to boost your scores? Having credit cards and using them isn't a bad thing, but it's important to keep your debt manageable. The best practice is to pay your credit card bills in full every month. Yeah, in full. If you can pay as much as possible, okay, try to keep your credit utilization below 30%. And that means if you have a $10,000 limit, don't be using more than $3,000 out of that. Keep it below $3,000. Don't close old accounts. Yes, please, guys, do not close old accounts. If you have an old credit card and you're not using, don't say, "Oh my God, I have so many credit cards." Don't close them. Keep it there. Yeah, I know sometimes it can be, a little annoying, especially having to pay annual fees, right? But keep them because it does matter. So when it comes to credit card, age matters. So the longer you had your credit history, the better it is for you, the easier it is for you to get loans and to be able to borrow money because they know that you have some kind of track records. And how you to boost that is keep them, don't close them. Number 4, have a mix of loans. Don't just have credit cards, have student loans. Well, I'm not gonna I don't do student loans, but have a mix of loans. You can have they have two different type of loans. You have revolving and you have installment. Now installment loans is like a car loan, like a mortgage loan. That's an installment because you're making installment payments, or like a loan. It could be a personal loan until you're done paying it. Revolving is like a credit card. It never finished. You never finish paying. It revolves every month, every time you make a payment, but the payments keep adding. Every time you add to it, it's still there. You can have, for instance, a credit card for 50 years. As long as you keep using it, it's there. It's never really end. You know what I mean? So you make the payment, then you continue using it, you make more payment. Let's say you have a $10,000 credit card limit. You use it for $200 this month. You paid it off. Let's say you don't want to use it until January. You use it for $500. You pay that off. So that calls revolving credit. You need both. You need a good mix of both of them. Think before taking a new credit. Think, yeah, why it matters. Why it matters. Getting a new credit card can both help and hurt you. So it's important to be strategic when it comes to creating or apply for a new credit card. Research shows that people who open several credit accounts in a short period may be higher credit risk than those who don't, according to FICO. So the leading credit score provider, which is FICO, says that when you apply for a new credit card, your credit score could fall initially because the lender looks at your credit report, and the average age of your account is lower. So be careful. So take a screenshot right here because this is where I like to give you that bonus. Okay. How is my credit score calculated? 35% is payment history. I did mention that. That's like a recap. 30% is available credit use, like how much of your credit you use out of the whole limit. 15% is the length of credit history. The longer you have it, the better it is for you. Number four, type of credit. You need a good mix of credit. You need installment. You need revolving. And number 10 is new credit. So when you apply for a new credit card, it can affect you. It also it will help you in the long run. So if you always pay on time and handle credit responsibly, you're already on the right track. However, if you need some help, if you're not on that right track and you need some help, you need a coach, because everybody need a coach. We can all agree, right? If you need a good coach that can help you win with money, whether it's some budgeting, whether it's paying off, to, to teach you and coach you on how to pay your bills on time and do several things, I'm the one. Reach out to me, DM me, call me. My number is there. Follow me wherever you're watching this. DM me, call me. My number is out there, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So, this is my time. I want to thank you for allowing me to interrupt your Saturday to bring you this amazing information that can help change your life and the lives of people around you. It's your girl, Coach Serenis. I'm the one and only credit coach, and not just a credit coach, I am also a credit rehabilitation nurse. And what I do is I change lives one person at a time. Bye. See you guys on my next video. Bye.